I read the things that they gave me. I watched some of his available. He has very few videos on YouTube. And the one that always pops up is yung kausap niya yung isang commissioner from the States, and he's talking about how the Philippines would always be a part of the Commonwealth and all of that, and would continue after Quezon. But the way everything is laid out, it is safe to say that I find past President Sergio Osmeña to be a very simple but principled man. And that's how I wanted to play him. Now, in politics, napaka-watery substance ng principles. Lagi yung nagbabago. Or lagi yung nako-compromise. But I think it is safe to say, as far as we are concerned, when we played our characters, we tried to understand what were the things they stood for and what were the things they would never do. And hopefully, I am a Tagalog, I am not a Cebuano, but hopefully, not to endear myself, but that you find the Sergio Osmeña that you all believe in that film.